Hey guys, Tamara here with Six Figure Mommy, and I just wanted to give you more information about the email processing system and how it actually works. Now, if you haven't seen any of my other videos about what email processing system is, if it's legit, and if it's a job, then go ahead and click the links below. I have added those videos there so you can check those out. Sometimes you see people advertising, get a job and start this job and start making some income. It's not a job. This is a legitimate business. And I just wanted to share some more information about how it works, what you can expect once you decide to choose a program to affiliate yourself with in the email processing system. So what's going to happen is whenever you're ready to start email processing system, click the link below. You can click my link and you're going to get three options, and that's to start at the $25 basic training level, the $50 level, and you'll get some more additional training, then then the $25 level, and then of course a $100 level, which is where you get the bonus training. You also get Facebook training, Instagram training, 5K blueprint from our team, and you get more information there with the $100 training. So you get to choose which one you want. Once you do that, then you're going to get access to the product, and our product is a sales copy ad book. So this is what we do for the Six Figure Mommies that join us. You get a copy of the sales copy book, and this contains all of this information that you can use to market yourself on your phone, on social media, on YouTube, wherever you like to market yourself and continue to get paid. Now, the best part about this is that you don't have to use the sales copy only for email processing system. If you want to use email processing system as a way to make some extra income on the side, you can do that. But if you have a business so elsewhere, you can also use the sales copy in here for that too. So it works across the board in regards to marketing. And sometimes that's what we have a hard time doing is what do I say to get people to like me and to get people to buy this product? And this book contains it all. So you would get access to all of that. You'll be able to use that for others to join you with email processing system and to also use for any other business opportunity that you are venturing on. So this is something that works all across the board. So that's really how it works. You choose a plan, you get the information, then you use it. That's the only way that you're going to get paid after you get started with email processing system. It's not sending out emails or anything like that. You have to market yourself, drive traffic to yourself, and get people more information about this product. And you can do that several ways through different programs of, like we said, social media, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. You can do that through all kinds of different ways to get people to know about what you're doing and then get them on board so that they can start making some extra money as well. So that is how email processing works. So if that's something that you're interested in and you're interested in working with me and my team, then go ahead again and click the link below and make sure you get started, and you can choose what level you'll get started at. And of course, that will give you more access to the team and more access to me and our coaching program. And we will help you get going on that. So make sure you check that out. If you haven't yet, make sure you also subscribe to the channel. I'll be bringing some more information about affiliate marketing and how to do that as a mommy at home or as a woman that just wants to make some extra income, because we can do that with the internet. So I'll be talking to you about that in upcoming videos. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything. And I look forward to seeing you in our next video. All right, you guys have a good day. Take care.